Okay, first off, this knob does not go with the radio. Secondly, the tuner is froze. The push buttons work, but only one of them had a station preset. So I will show you that the radio does in fact work, but that's not.
That's iHeart.com/small business, because your small business is big to us.
Hi, this is Newt Gingrich, inviting you to listen to my free weekly podcast called Newt's World. Every Sunday, we will explore topics and issues that are relevant to your life, and I'll give you context into each twist.
Well, you can see oops, now I can't get back to the station. Well, that's it. That's all we got.